Welcome to Scholar Hub Grammar Classes for ICSE Class 10. Here we will discuss all the doubts of the ICSE Classes 10 of the grammar part. Okay. We will also discuss the past year question papers and even the short question that you may get in your examination. Okay. So now beginning with the topic. So grammar. What is grammar? Grammar contains your adjective, tenses, adverbs, interrogatives, present tense, past tense, everything. But as we are going to discuss for ICSE board paper, then we will discuss only up to the syllabus because ICSE never asks beyond the syllabus. Okay, remember that. So let's get started with the instruction. ICSE paper 1, also known as ICSE language paper, is of 2 hours and it contains a set of 5 questions. 5 questions. Remember, these 5 questions are compulsory for every examinee or the students to attempt so that they can fetch marks. Okay, and the marks of each questions are provided in the right hand side of the question paper. The paper is of 80 marks and you are given the 15 minutes time to go through the question paper. The tips that I would give for you before attempting the examination is that in those 15 minutes I would recommend that please go through your comprehension part or thoroughly, because you won't get the time later to go through it, and if you go through it you can understand your comprehension better and write in your own way in the answer. Okay, so that it can help you gain more marks. Okay, and even I would suggest you one thing, that please don't waste more time in the letter and essay. Keep it for the last. Okay, keep it for the last. You attempt it after you have attempted the grammar portion, because if you spend more time in the essay part, then you may surely not able to complete your grammar section, because you have to do it in limited time scope. Okay, so let's move forward. The question that comes to every ICSE student's mind, that which book should we prefer for ICSE English so that we can gain more marks? The answer that I would provide for you is that there is no particular book that that council provides for ICSE grammar. Its syllabus is so vast, not so vast, but we don't know from where the question comes. Okay, you don't ever know from where ICSE is giving that question. Is it from a particular book? Okay, but the book that you can use as your main textbook would be Total English by Morningstar Publication. It's a very nice book. It contains certain solved and unsolved test papers, and it has some assignment which will help you to give your best in the grammar portion. Okay, so now moving on to the next part. There are some students who say that for practice what we can refer, and you can also refer the Frank Way to ICSE paper. It contains of it is very nice book. It contains certain solved model test paper, unsolved model test paper for class 10s. Okay, so you can go through it. Just go through it. Okay, so next is your ICSE self study in English language paper 1. I may recommend that you can I may say that you may recommend this book or not, because in ICSE you have to do everything in a limited scope. Okay, but if you have unlimited books to study for your language paper, and you have not completed yet, then it won't be beneficial for you. Okay, you just keep on buying your book and keep it on one upon another, and you are not even able to finish your syllabus, then it won't be nice now. So please keep the limited books. Okay, so that you can go through the chapters, or not chapters but concept easily. You can grasp the knowledge of the grammar easily. The most important book other than this guidebook I would prefer, if you don't buy the guidebook, that's okay, but the book that you can refer after Total English would be Wren & Martin. Wren & Martin is a super book. You can just go through that. It has very beneficial exercise. It has conceptual learning, means you can learn the grammar in an easy way. They explain example everything. The definition, basic definition of that every portion is given in the Wren & Martin. If you don't buy this guidebook, that won't affect much, but if you buy the Wren & Martin, it will surely help you to increase 2 or 3 marks in examination. Okay, And after that, very important for the ICSE students to go through the previous year question paper. Okay, so there is a question arises, how many past year question papers should we go through so that we can gain more marks? Then you can go through at least 5 year past question papers. Okay, you can see the question papers. Okay, you will get the blueprint of or an idea about what type of questions are coming in this section or this questions. Okay, and it will also help you to enhance your writing skill. Okay, and the tips I would like to give in this point of time is that yeah, that in your past question paper there are certain compositions. Okay, many students face difficulty in writing the composition during the exam times, and for them I would suggest that please write down, please take the past 10 year question paper or 5 years question paper, and please just write down one composition each day. Then I would surely say that your composition would be much better than today. Then after that, after you have completed your ICSE past year question paper, then you can surely go for specimen paper. Whether it may be solved or unsolved, it depends upon you. Okay, you can go for the specimen paper from the council's official website, that is www.cisc.org. Okay, go there, search the website, go there and get an access to the specimen question paper of the past I think past 5 years. Okay, it's normal. Okay, just go through past 5 years, not lengthy. We will not make much lengthy, that we'll practice past 10 years paper. You won't be able to, but just past 5 years, it's enough. Okay, now last but not the least, please like and subscribe my channel. If you like the video, then please press on the like button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the regular update of my video. Thank you.